Are you tired of spending hours chopping vegetables when a good food processor could do it in seconds? Today, we are breaking down the absolute best KitchenAid food processors so you can finally stop wasting time and start cooking smarter. Look, KitchenAid isn't just about stand mixers anymore. They have built an entire lineup of food processors, and honestly, choosing the right one can feel a bit overwhelming. In this video, I am going to walk you through the top 6 KitchenAid food processors on the market right now. Let's get into it. Number 6. KitchenAid 5K FP0719BBM 7-cup food processor. When we first pulled this out of the box, I was genuinely impressed by how compact it is. It has a 1.7-liter capacity, which makes it incredibly easy to tuck away in a standard kitchen cabinet without taking up your entire counter space. Let me explain what you are getting under the hood. It comes with a 250-watt motor, a multi-purpose stainless steel blade, a dough blade, and 2 slicing and shredding discs. You get 3 basic speed options here: low, high, and pulse. The paddle controls feel tactile and responsive, and the overall setup is pretty straightforward for anyone who just wants to plug it in and start prepping. During our testing, we threw a bunch of standard tasks at it. It handled basic salsa and hummus beautifully, and the slicing disc made quick work of cucumbers and carrots. If you are just cooking for 1 or 2 people, it feels like a very capable machine for those lighter, everyday tasks. But, well, here's where we ran into some issues. When we tried to push this machine a bit harder with a batch of heavy bread dough, you could actually hear that 250-watt motor struggling. I mean, it gets the job done eventually, but the machine tends to shake a bit on the counter. Also, the feed tube is noticeably small, so you're going to spend extra time pre-chopping your vegetables just to get them to fit inside. Five, KitchenAid 5KFC 3516BOB Mini Food Chopper. Now, this thing is tiny. It is essentially a miniature version of a full-sized processor, designed specifically for those quick, small jobs where you just do not want to lug a heavy appliance out of the cupboard. It packs a 240-watt motor, which is surprisingly punchy for a 3.5-cup capacity, and features a simple 2-speed plus pulse operation. One feature we absolutely loved during testing was the little drizzle basin right on top of the lid. It lets you slowly incorporate liquids while the blade is spinning, which is honestly brilliant for emulsions. We used that drizzle basin to make a batch of homemade mayonnaise, and the emulsion was absolutely perfect. It also completely destroyed a handful of woody herbs and ginger when we were making a Thai green curry paste. The blades are sharp, it is fast, and the fact that the bowl, lid, and blade are all dishwasher safe makes cleanup an absolute breeze. However, you really have to manage your expectations with this one. Because it is only 3.5 cups, it is strictly a chopper. There are no slicing discs, no shredding attachments, and no dough blades. I mean, if you want to prep veggies for a family stir-fry, you are going to be batch processing 3 or 4 times, which gets annoying really fast. Ultimately, this mini chopper is a fantastic sidekick. It's great for a quick pico de gallo or chopping some nuts for a dessert. 4. KitchenAid 5K FP1319 Bake Food Processor. Now we are stepping into the big leagues. With a beautiful almond cream finish, this is where KitchenAid really starts to show off what their kitchen appliances can actually do. The standout feature on this model is easily the exact slice system. Instead of swapping out 5 different discs for different thicknesses, you have an external lever that lets you adjust the slicing thickness from thin to thick while the machine is literally still running. It also comes with a dedicated dicing kit, which is a massive time saver for heavy meal prep. When we tested the exact slice system on a batch of potatoes for a gratin, the consistency was flawless. Every single slice was uniform, and being able to adjust the thickness on the fly without taking the lid off felt like a total game changer. It powered through blocks of cheddar cheese in seconds without bogging down at all. Here is what matters most to me about this model.
KitchenAid finally figured out that we hate loose blades cluttering up our drawers. Everything fits neatly inside the 3.1-liter work bowl. The bowl itself is a snap-and-go design, meaning no awkward twisting to lock it into place, which just makes the whole experience so much better. This 13-cup model is a massive step up from the previous two. If you do a lot of meal prep on Sundays or frequently cook for a family, the time you save with the dicing and adjustable slicing features makes this machine worth every single penny. 3. KitchenAid 13-cup food processor. While it shares the same DNA as the previous model, this version really shines when you put it under serious, heavy-duty pressure in a busy kitchen environment. This machine gives you a massive 3.1-liter working capacity and includes a brilliantly designed 3-in-1 feed tube. That means you can slide in a whole cucumber or shrink the chute down to process a single carrot without it falling over and giving you those weird slanted slices. It comes packed with 3 power settings, low, high, and pulse, allowing precise control over soft and hard foods. During our stress tests, we wanted to see how it handled heavy baking tasks. We threw in a double batch of thick pizza dough, and it did not even flinch. The base stayed firmly planted on the countertop, the motor did not whine, and it kneaded the dough into a perfect smooth ball in under 2 minutes. Another huge win for this model is the leak-resistant ring on the work bowl. If you have ever pureed a large batch of soup and had it leak down the center column onto the motor base, you know how incredibly frustrating that is. With this model, you can fill it up with liquids and the seal holds perfectly. Cleanup is as simple as tossing the bowl in the dishwasher. This 13-cup processor is an absolute powerhouse. It looks incredibly stealthy on the counter, performs like a professional tool, and effortlessly handles the heavy-duty tasks that would completely stall out smaller machines. KitchenAid Pro Line Series 16-cup food processor. Look, there is really no other way to say this. This machine is an absolute beast. It is built like a commercial appliance and designed for people who take their cooking incredibly seriously. The Pro line features a heavy die-cast metal base that feels indestructible. It has a massive 16-cup capacity, making it the largest on our list. It includes the Exact Slice adjustable slicing system, a hands-free commercial-style dicing kit, and a completely separate smaller bowl that drops right inside the main bowl for smaller jobs. When we tested this, we practically tried to break it. We fed whole heads of cabbage through the extra-wide feed chute, and it shredded them into perfect coleslaw in literally 3 seconds. We diced pounds of tomatoes and onions for salsa, and the dicing grid pushed out perfectly uniform cubes like it was absolutely nothing. What is truly wild about the Pro line is how quiet it is. Because of that heavy die-cast metal base, the motor is incredibly insulated. You know that solid, satisfying thud when you close the door in a luxury car? That is exactly what locking a bowl onto this base feels like. It just oozes premium quality. If you regularly host massive dinner parties, batch cook for the freezer, or just want the absolute pinnacle of KitchenAid engineering, this is it. It is heavy, it is expensive, but it is a masterclass in culinary power.
KitchenAid 9-cup food processor. Why did this beat out the massive 16-cup Pro line? Because it hits the absolute perfect sweet spot between capacity, power, footprint, and price. The 9-cup model features a brilliantly simple one-click bowl assembly. You literally just drop the bowl onto the base, lock the latched lid, and you are ready to go. It offers 3 speed options, high, low, and pulse, and includes a multi-purpose blade, a dough blade, and reversible slicing and shredding discs. In our kitchen tests, this machine did everything we asked of it without taking up half the kitchen counter. It made a flawless batch of pie dough, cutting the cold butter into the flour perfectly. When we needed shredded carrots for a cake, it pushed them through the disc smoothly with 0 jamming and left almost no unshredded chunks at the top. The absolute genius of this model, though, is the storage. Just like the 13-cup, every single accessory fits directly inside the 9-cup bowl. But because it is a 9-cup capacity, the machine easily slides under standard kitchen cabinets. You get the power to prep meals for a family of 4, but the footprint of a much smaller appliance. Bottom line, the 9-cup KitchenAid food processor is the ultimate everyday workhorse.
It does not have the insane bulk of the Pro line, and it does not have the limitations of the 7-Cup. It is simply a perfectly designed, highly capable machine that you will actually look forward to using every single day. Final thought. Which KitchenAid model fits your daily cooking routine the best?